In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Trello error when moving a card. If you've ever tried dragging a card to another list or board and Trello throws an error or simply won't let you move it, don't worry. This is usually caused by a few common issues. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the most common reasons this happens and exactly how to fix them. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any possible cause. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The most common reason you're getting a Trello error when moving a card is a permission issue. In Trello, you cannot move cards freely unless you have the correct access level. If you are not officially a board member, Trello will block certain actions. The same thing happens if the board is set to view only, if the list has restrictions, or if your workspace role is set to observer instead of member. Here's how to fix it. Open the Trello board where you're experiencing the issue. In the top right corner, click on Share. This will open the Board Members and Permissions panel. Look at your name and confirm your role. If it says Observer, or if you're not listed as a board member at all, that's your problem. You'll need to ask the board admin to upgrade your role to Member so you can move and edit cards. Once your permissions are updated, refresh the board and try moving the card again. The second common cause is hitting board or plan limits, especially if you're using Trello's free plan. On the free plan, workspaces are limited to 10 boards. Very large boards can also run into performance or structural limits, and attachment storage can fill up over time. When limits are reached, Trello may prevent certain actions, including moving cards between boards. To fix this, start by cleaning up your workspace. Archive old cards that are no longer needed. You can do this by opening a card and clicking Archive. Next, review your boards and delete any that are no longer active. If you're consistently hitting limits, it may be time to consider upgrading your Trello plan for expanded functionality and fewer restrictions. After clearing space or upgrading, try moving the card again. If neither of those fixes works, the issue could be a temporary browser or app glitch. Refresh the page first. If that doesn't solve it, log out of Trello and log back in. You can also clear your browser cache or try opening Trello in an incognito window. If you're using the Trello desktop or mobile app, fully close the app and reopen it or check for updates. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere as well, so try disabling them temporarily. So to quickly recap, first check your permissions and make sure you're a board member. Second, make sure you haven't hit any workspace or board limits. And third, rule out browser or app glitches with a refresh or reset. One of these fixes will solve the issue in almost every case. If this video helped you fix your Trello card moving error, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.